first I'm going to go to S blur mode curves. You want to pick out, this is a present, I'll show you the settings, so you just want to copy this down. So first things first, make sure you have this locked in so it moves as a frame. First you want to go at 0.8, and you want to move a couple of frames and make it 1. Change this to a fast fade and this to a smooth fade. That should be good for this. And then we're going to go to another plugin, to it's going to be called S Dissolve Shakes. So we first going to preview this. That looks good actually. So the first thing to do is set this up. Set the dissolve amount to 0.3. Just leave that at 3, amplitude to 3.5, and frequency 20, motion blur length 3. So when you play it, it'll go crazy, but that's why we're going to change the time for amplitude and frequency. So you want to make this, you want to watch as you go, so that should be good there. Then we turn each of them down to 1. You want to go a little more further to also 1 here, and then as it moves on, 0.2, 0.2. Now you want to make sure how it looks. If you don't like it, so you can also drag it out a little more further so it's more of the effect. Yeah, that looks good. And you want to repeat the steps for this one and the rest of these. So I'll speed it up. Okay, for the last clip, since we're going to go off the beat drop, so we're going to do a double shake right here. So we're going to want to add the same thing as the first step. This here, and copy the settings. And so, time it. This should be good. That's not too fast. Yeah. So you want to stretch these guys out, and then you want to add another one right here. So it's going to add a keyframe for both of them, and as it goes right here, the beat should drop. Try the keyframe, so when the beat drops, right here. 5 and 20, so on how the thing looks. So you want, let's see, let's move this up here and then turn it down right here. So 1, frequency down to 1 right here. So let's see how that looks. that should be it. Thank you for watching.